Hi guys, ignore the noise in the background. That's my children. They are here. I homeschool, so they're here with me, and it's also summer. Anyway, so today I'm going to set a timer for 10 minutes, and my kitchen is a mess. I will show you that in a moment, but I don't have a lot of time right now, and I'm just gonna see what I can get done in 10 minutes, and yeah, let's go.
Alright guys, so this is my kitchen. It is a mess. So ideally I would like to load the dishes throughout the day. And I'm still working on it. Some days I do it, some days I get really lazy or I get tired or I just don't feel like doing it. That was this was the result from one of these days. So I really just need to take care of these dishes. Like, they just needed to be done. And I also wanted to try and clear off all the stuff from my counters and wipe them down in this 10 minutes. I do want to make a disclaimer. For some reason, I don't count the bar as part of my kitchen. Comment down below if you're like that. I know that's probably awful. I don't know. It's just such a huge source of like clutter. Like I'll clean it off with the kitchen when I do the kitchen sometimes, but a lot of times I just wait to do it separately because there's a lot of stuff on there that I just don't know where it goes. I know I need to stop that, and that's why I'm doing the time cleaning. I feel like when I put a timer on, I'm more likely to do a task that I feel is very mundane or that I feel needs to get done but I've been procrastinating on. But at this point my timer had just went off and I don't think it's too bad. It looks a lot better than it did before, and that's all I'm aiming for.
Usually it takes me about 10 minutes. No, usually it takes me about 20 to 30 minutes to clean the kitchen. And it's not even like deep cleaning it, like to just clear off all the dishes and to wipe everything down. It usually takes me about 20 to 30 minutes, and a lot of that is because I'm lollygagging and I'm just like taking my time. But I don't like cleaning. So as you can see, in 10 minutes, I was able to get the dishes done and clear off some of the counter space. And yeah, 5 more minutes, the kitchen could be clean, and I'll probably go ahead and do that now. But yeah, I encourage you, if you are short on time or if you just don't like cleaning, set a timer, see what you can do. You'd be surprised. See you in the next video. Bye guys.